uh, PPT in my presentation is understanding the problem statement through a solution approach explanation, in which we have taken two methods, that is brute force approach and the optimization approach, for which we have used a Python implementation through a coding. And for last but not the least, we will conclude for the presentation. So in this the problem, let's understand the problem statement. Here we are given two here we are containing two integers, that is positive and the negative. We need to find out the sum of the two integers such that it is closest to 0 or is 1. For example, in this the we are given within a list containing minus 4 7 6 2 minus 5. The two elements with the sum closest to 0 will be minus 5 and the 6. Let's have a hint in this case. The sum can be either positive or negative, but the absolute distance of the sum from the 0 should be considered to the sum of the closest to 0. Then let's assume the maximum possible sum of any two elements in the list is 1 billion. And last but not the least, we can get a help through an inbuilt sorting of the list. In this we have used data structures such as a list, tuple and dictionary. Let's move ahead with one of the approach, that is brute force approach, in which we had to sort out the list, initialization of the empty dictionaries, then a nested loop to try all the pairs, then store and sum pair in the dictionaries, and find some closest to a 0 using a minimum value, and return sorted pairs. That is time complexity in this given case can be 0 raised to n raised to 2, and the space complexity can also be o n raised to 2. Moving ahead, let's understand within an optimization approach, which is known as a two pointers method. First of all, in this sort the list, use two common pointers, that is start and the end point. Track closest sum using current sum, that is move pointers accordingly. If the sum is less than 0, it will move towards the left side. If the sum is greater than 0, it will move towards right side. Then once the pointer meets the functions returns the closest pair with the sum closest to 0. The best pair will be returned. In this, the time complexity is O n log n, and the space complexity is O into 1. Let's understand the that is Python implementation through an coding, in which the end result is minus 5 and the 6 in both the optimization method. Finally, we will conclude the PPT. Thus, through this, we have got the best possible way for both the thing. We can use any other way as through which we can solve this problem, but by using these through approaches, our output is matched as per the expectations. So I will just conclude my presentation over here. So thank you so much.